If you've built a C WinForms app and want to sell it, you need a license system. Without one, anyone can install it and use it forever for free. In this video, I'll show you how to add a 90-day trial, a machine-locked activation key, and a private key generator tool, using nothing but C# and a single HTML file. No third-party libraries. No server. Let's go. Here's the flow. App starts. Secure.cs checks the registry. Trial active. App loads. Trial expired. Activation form appears. Customer enters key. Validated. App loads. The whole system consists of 3 files. The first file, that is Secure.cs, runs on startup and manages the trial. Form 1.cs is the activation UI your customer sees, and a private HTML file that you use to generate keys. Secure.cs is the engine. It is called from Program.cs before application run. From this line, first run, it writes the install date to the Windows registry and grants 90 days. Every launch after that, it calculates days elapsed. Under 15 days left, it shows a warning. From here, the 90 days period can be reduced to 30 days or any other days. Expired, it calls the activation form. Already activated, it loads directly. There's also date tamper detection. If the user rolls their system clock back, Secure.cs detects the negative time difference and blacklists that installation. They must buy a key to continue. This is the function which actually generates key. It takes 2 values to generate key, which are this order ID and another the machine's MAC address. That is it. Form 1 is the activation screen. 2 fields, machine ID shown at the top, key entry below. The machine ID is generated from the customer's MAC address, reversed and character shifted. This is the value they copy and send to you. This is how the key is generated from the HTML file using order ID and machine ID available on the activation form. You can see the software has been activated using the key generated. Let's also try filling an invalid key and see what happens. See, the invalid key got rejected. And the valid key got accepted. This HTML file is private. Never share it. Open it in any browser, no internet needed. When a customer's trial expires, they email you their machine ID. You copy and paste it, enter your order ID, click Generate.
Done.
The JavaScript in this file mirrors your C# GenerateKey method exactly. Same algorithm, same output. So the key it produces is the exact key the activation form expects. Session history at the bottom keeps track of all keys you've generated, so if you're activating multiple customers, you don't lose track. This is the registry path, where the keys are actually stored in the Windows registry under current user. Write regedit in search bar to open this registry. Here, you will see this HKey current user folder under which there is software folder under which your registry with name QWERTY is saved. You can even delete it from here and choose any other name than QWERTY in the reg_path. As you can see under QWERTY, the trial version has started and under password trial is mentioned. If this software is activated, Then the actual key would have been mentioned against the password in the registry. App_password must be the same in Secure.cs, Program.cs, and your order ID in the HTML tool. Reg_path is where license data is stored on the customer's PC. Make both unique to your app. Never reuse them across projects. That's the complete license system: trial, activation, machine-locked keys, private key generator. All in pure C# with no dependencies. If this saved you time, hit like. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more C# WinForms content. Drop a comment if you run into any issues. See you in the next one.